Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you for watching and thank you for always supporting my channel. Today I will be unboxing EVA Air Boeing 777-300ER. So how is everybody doing today? I hope everybody doing good. So here is our plane 777-300ER and got some landing gear here, the body of the plane. Alright, so I will put them together and then we'll continue filming. Okay everyone, so our EVA Air 777-300ER is finally out of the box. So as you can see, my whole room here is almost run out of space here to put the plane. So yeah, I got a lot of bigger plane on the shelf, so I would like to try to get rid of them, like sell them out. But here is our star of the day, the EVA Air. I think I film like this. It's like I'm at the airport with all the plane parking in the background. You know, before I used to like Boeing 747-400ER, but right now I kind of like fall in love with the 777. And on Sunday I spoke to one of the one friend of mine. He's an engineer from SpaceX, and he told me that he liked the plane with the 4 engine. I told him that I do too. I used to like Boeing 747, but then I started to like 777. Yeah, this is the rear view plane. You can see British Airways in the background and the Pokemon on the air. Here's the front view of the plane. So yeah, if you watch this video and you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so you can get more video update from my channel when I post a new video. So we have Qantas just landed, and then this Qantas Airbus A380 arrived earlier, and now the EVA Air follow behind it at my Minis airport. And you can see in the background the tail of the Vietnam airline over there with the yellow lotus flower on the tail. And then you have Singapore Airline, Boeing 787-10, and then Korean Air, Boeing 777-300 ER also parked next to it. And then the Thai Airway in the background, and the Emirates all the way over there. And once again, I just want to say thank you to all of you, all the people, the subscriber out there that subscribe to my channel, and all the viewer who watching this, and thank you for your support, and always watch my video when I upload them onto YouTube. So yeah, this is my plane. So I think I just conclude this film today, and hope everybody enjoy it. Okay, so I see you next time. Have a wonderful day, have a wonderful evening, and take care.